Revealing the new talent for your kitchen that will speed up your service and deliver consistent, delicious hot food on demand. The very latest in high-speed ovens, the new Merrychef conneX range. Streamline your kitchen. It can cook, toast, reheat and grill. It really does do it all. The Merrychef conneX 16 is the first high-speed oven to have a 16-inch square cavity, yet only be 18 inches wide. Compact, sleek and stylish to fit anywhere. As well as good-looking, behind the high-definition 7-inch touchscreen is the brain. Welcome to the next-generation controller. The Merrychef conneX range is born connected, fully trained and ready for action, with over 100 delicious recipes pre-programmed by our global team of chefs. Simply select your menu, press and go. You're now open for business. However, you don't have to be there to manage your equipment. Kitchen staff love it. They can carry on serving, avoiding long queues while the food is cooking. The Merrychef conneX 16, for the most food in the quickest time. The Merrychef conneX 12, to speed up your service by up to 80%. Merrychef conneX, the new talent for your kitchen.